The equation of a curve is x cubed plus 2y cubed equals 3xy. Show that dy by dx equals this. All right. So let's derivate this entire equation with respect to x. So x cubed derivated with respect to x is just going to be 3x squared plus 2. Y cubed derivated with respect to x will be 3y squared times dy by dx equals to 3. Now xy derivated with respect to x would require a product rule first. So derive x1 times multiply y with it plus multiply x with it times derivative of y, which will be dy by dx. Okay, so we get 3x squared plus 6y squared dy by dx equals 3y plus 3x dy by dx. Okay, so first thing I think I like to do is take 2 common from both sides and cancel it. Sorry, take 3 common. So this will become 1, this will become 2, this will become 1, and this will become 1. Now I'm going to move the dy by dx terms to the same side. So I have x squared minus y equals dy by dx, and we have x minus 2y squared here. So x squared minus y over 2y squared minus x. Sorry, x minus 2y squared equals dy by dx. Okay. Now, this is still not the same as this. So what we can do is times -1 with the numerator and times -1 with the denominator, which gives us exactly the same expression. Okay. So that's done. Part 1 is done. Part 2 says find the coordinates of the point other than the origin where the curve has a tangent which is parallel to the x-axis. Okay, let's look at a curve, an example of a curve in which the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. This happens when dy by dx is equals to 0. So equate this to 0. We get y minus x squared equals 0. This is now the working for part 2. And we get y equals x squared. Now, what we need to do is substitute this back in the original equation. So replace the y with x squared. So x cubed plus 2 times x squared cubed is equals to 3x times x squared. So we are getting x cubed plus 2x power 5 I'm sorry, 2x power 6 equals 3x cubed. Okay, now move everything to the same side. So we can get a 0 here. 2x power 6 minus 2x cubed equals to 0. Now take 2x cubed common. So we get 2x power 3 here minus 1 equals to 0, which gives us 2x cubed is equals to 0, and 2x cubed minus 1 is equals to 0. All right, there's a mistake in this factorization that this should have been 1. Okay, so we have a 1 here. And from here, we're getting x cubed equals 0, which gives x equals 0. And from here, we're getting x cubed equals 1, which gives x equals 1. Okay. Now we need to find y. So we know that y equals x squared. So y equals 0 squared is 0 and y equals 1 squared is 1. So this is the point they're asking for because they said that the other point is the origin. So we don't need that. We need 1 comma 1. And that's our final answer.